Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good. I hope you're feeling irie and ready for another jam-packed read. So we are looking into the monthly predictions for May going into June. Now, apologies because this one is a bit late, but we're gonna get into it still. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family. All right, so you know we have pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Okay, which number is calling you? Okay, sit back with a nice cup of tea. Let us know what you are sipping on today. Okay, as we bring in this good energy. Okay, and we're going to start with that gratitude, that good energy of gratitude. All right, thank you universe, thank you spirit guides, thank you guardian angels, thank you ancestors for the messages that we are about to receive. May these messages resonate with the collective and allow them to use these messages to strengthen their intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so we have pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. So let's see what messages want to come out. Take what resonates, okay, and leave the rest. That's what we do around here. I saw it go. I saw it go. Okay, that simply means that's how it goes around here. So pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. See you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we have pile 1. Okay, let's have a look and see what's under pile 1. But first, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family. All right, let's see Wagwan. Okay, let's start with the oracle first. Ooh, worth waiting for. Worth waiting for. Reconciliation. So there seems to be maybe a theme already, that there could be somebody who wants to reach back or reach out, talk to you, connect with you, reconnect with you. We have divine timing is at work in your love life. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. So somebody wants to return. Somebody wants to return. Now, you got to ask yourself, do you want this person to return? You know, trust your intuition. Use your discernment every time. Honeymoon. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So I feel like this could be somebody that wants to reconnect, somebody who wants to spend quality time with you, someone who wants to really enjoy spending time. I've got a song. I can't remember the name of the artist, but I've got it's too late to turn back now. I believe I'm falling in love. Okay, if you know, please put it in the comments below. But that's the song that I'm that's the song I'm getting. Divine timing is at work, okay, and I feel like there's could be some really strong feelings of. I'm getting like a real strong feelings of love, and I feel like this could be also someone has realized now that, you know, I'm kind of getting this energy that it's kind of missed energy, like, oh, I wish I did better. I wish I feel like the time, maybe if you know, for some of you, there might have been some time apart, and I feel like this person is now realizing, wow, this person was really a good fit for me. This person was a really good fit for me, but I feel like it was kind of things that they needed to work on to recognize that and see that. But I feel like with the reconciliation card being here, there's someone who does want to reconnect and spend quality time. But again, it's all about trusting your intuition. Let's look at the tarot now. Look at that. We have the Five of Pentacles. So this person has felt like they may have been felt out in the cold. I feel like there's also a monthly predictions as well. This could also, you know, in terms of like money, maybe like just examine any kind of spending that you do at this time, or spend wisely, or look at saving or putting some money aside. You know, we have the Jamaican proverb that's coming to mind: if you save money, money will save you. Okay, now I feel like with the Eight of Cups being here, yeah, there was definitely some kind of walking away, moving away from something. I feel like this could have also relate to I'm getting the energy of like, if it wasn't serving, it wasn't it didn't feel like it was in alignment, you know, had to walk away, move away from that. There may have been a lot of worries, a lot of thinking, especially with the moon being here. Okay, that, you know, you've invested this energy, and again, back to that song, it's too late to turn back now. I believe I'm falling in love. Okay, but there was a tower moment. So I feel like with this tower, there could have been some arguments, there could have been some disagreements that could have led to kind of issues around being aligned with one another. But I feel like this could also be maybe, you know, a soulmate, a twin flame energy. Okay, with the tower being here, but especially with the King of Swords, someone is realizing, like, I feel like this if you know, the time apart, someone is realizing with the King of Swords being here now. I feel like it's giving them a sense of maturity and an attitude to look at things differently, to be more, to look at things in a kind of like a bird's eye view, a wider scale, a broad, this is what I'm kind of getting, a broad way of looking at things, and seeing that at that time they weren't ready, but now with the Five of Wands being here, I feel like, you know, because the Five of Fives can represent chaos, kind of like a chaos energy, or a disturbance kind of energy. But I feel like with the Five of Wands being here, I'm getting the message of wanting to patch things up, wanting to ignite that fire, relight my fire, ooh, you are my only desire. Yeah, that's the energy that I'm getting. And this is probably, you know, with the honeymoon, or like a holiday, or a break, or I'm getting like a picnic, a date. I feel like that could be maybe their ambition, their intention to start something new with you. Okay, so before we kind of pull out some clarification cards, we're going to look into a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what the Jamaican proverb wants to tell the collective for these monthly predictions. Can we have a proverb for these monthly predictions, please? Ooh, okay, two came out. So we have today for you, tomorrow for me. Sorry, yes, the other way around, but it's the same thing. Same thing. Same thing just means it's the same thing. Okay, today for me, tomorrow for you. So today for me, tomorrow for you. So this basically, fi just means for. Okay, it's another way of saying for you. Okay, so life has ups and downs, cycles, gratitude, reflect. Okay, this is the King of Swords energy. So I feel like it could also be the two of you are in this energy where you are recognizing, you know, you see, life says ups and downs. This was the tower. The tower, you know, the tower can come into our lives, or we can experience those tower moments when there are things that we know, that we can feel, we can intuitively. And I feel like this is also when you strongly, intuitively feel that something needs to change, and we don't, and we keep resisting it. We could also keep resisting the universe's own way of trying to show us the signs. Our guardian angels trying to show us signs, our ancestors trying to show us signs. You know, we spiritually trying ignoring those signs. You know, it can lead to that tower. But again, it's understanding life has ups and downs, and those tower moments are to unravel, but also to heal. You know, it's also to unravel, but also to heal. Okay, and to help us to be a better person, to become a better person. Okay, and I feel like this needed to happen for this person to see that, you know, there was growth needed. They needed to expand. They needed to see the value. They needed to see the value in this union. They needed to see the value in who you were and who you are. And although you know, maybe the time apart, you know, things have changed. You're not the same person in terms of the growth and development. But I feel like, you know, again, divine timing. And if this is like something where you might say, right, I don't really want to reconcile, but I feel like worth waiting for is like, you know, if you want something new, you can manifest that in as well. Okay, with patching things up, working on yourself, you know, taking that time to love on yourself. Okay, but I feel like this energy of the King of Swords being here is someone really recognizing that, wow, like how I can see things differently now. So I'm gonna have a quick sip so I can stay hydrated. Okay, but look at this. So collective, there is an energy again about money. Okay, so I feel like, you know, maybe a good budgeting, taking some time to work on your budgets, or budgeting, you know, as we are approaching like hot summery months. If you haven't already, we do have a read about the question is, who wants to have a hot girl summer with you? Okay, collective, I feel like that would be a good read for you to look into, especially with all these honeymoon energy and lots of fire energy here. But yes, let's go back to the Jamaican proverb. Let's get into it. John Crow never make house till rain come. John Crow never make house till rain come. This simply means the John Crow is a crow bird. The crow bird, okay, never makes a house until it starts to see rain pouring down, and it's like, cacao, cacao. Evacuate, cacao, cacao. It's wet down here. Okay, so save and invest for a rainy day. Now I feel like, you know, this could also in collective, some of you, you know, maybe this could be a good time to look at, you know, putting some money aside, saving, whether it could be like, you know, even if you start from 1%, then move on to 2%, then move on to 4% to 5%, you know, you can do that. But I feel like this could also, you know, there could have also been some issues as well, maybe with this person around the money, maybe having, because especially with the King of Swords being here, there's a strong energy. I feel like there was mindsets were different. There was kind of like an attitudes were very different to growth and development, or personal development, seeing things on a differently. And I'm kind of, especially with the Five of Pentacles being here, I feel like this could have been something that you might have thought, you know what, if this is where I want to be, then we both have to be in alignment. And I'm getting a strong energy that there was a mixed match kind of energy going on. But I feel like with the King of Swords being here, someone definitely is now seeing that, okay, things differently. So let's have a quick look at some message. Let's see what wants to come out. Can we have a why? Why does this person feel this way? Why does this person feel this way? Why does this person feel this way? Woo! The Knight of Swords. The Knight of Swords. Let's see what's at the front. We have the Four of Coins, the Four of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles. So there is a strong energy of money here. Strong energy of money, strong energy of wanting to build a legacy. Okay, look at the Three of Wands. Wanting to grow. Wanting to grow, wanting to expand. Okay, now there's definitely a strong energy of mindset here, and I feel like someone holding back. Maybe I'm getting the message, this is all I know, so could have only navigated life through the lens of again, not really taking time to save and invest, not really taking the time to focus on building, and I feel like this could be also in building the relationship. Building, every relationship has building blocks, taking those time to build those blocks. And I feel like there could have been a lack of energy or a lack of motivation. But I feel like the strong energy of swords being here, I feel like a strong energy of swords being here, this person has recognized this. And it could also be you that have recognized it, that you deserve more. You know, you deserve more. And yes, you deserve abundance. You deserve great things. You deserve all these, things, so to meet or match with someone who's in alignment with you. Okay. Right, I am intuitively drawn to pull from the middle. So we're just going to have a look and see what message wants to come out. Okay. Look, the Ten of Cups. The Ten of Cups. The Ten of Cups. Especially how we saw the intuitive gem of the Ten of Pentacles. I feel like this is, especially with the Ten of Cups being reversed, and the Eight of Cups being here. Another intuitive message that this was something you could have heavily had thought about and thinking, I deserve more. And if it's going to be something that you're not really going to work on, take those time to build on those those building blocks, build a relationship. And even if it's a communication, I'm getting a strong energy that there was kind of someone was investing, someone wasn't investing, and this was leaving a really imbalanced or creating a really unbalanced relationship. Okay, where where one counterpart was like, this is now coming, it's becoming like really like I'm getting like a burden feeling, and you're not wanting to feel that way, but I feel like the more it was kind of bubbling up, it was leaving that tower, causing the break, causing something to say, right, this has to pull apart, to then recognize what was going on. But there's a strong energy of a Knight of Swords, so there could have been someone who's younger. There could be an age gap as well, or it may not necessarily. It could be someone who's maybe the same age or younger than you, or vice versa. But I feel like they want to repair, but we've still got the Five of Wands. So we're gonna just quickly check the intentions. Let's have a look at the intentions. What are their true intentions right now? What are their true intentions right now? What are their true intentions right now? Ooh, we have again. Ooh, look at that. So we have the Four of Pentacles, the Three of Wands. We saw the Three of Wands earlier. We have the Eight. We have the Strength card, 8. So they want to work on things. The Princess of Wands. They want to work on things. They want to work on things. Yet, however, the only thing I see is like with the Three of Wands, the growth and expansion, develop it. They want to kind of like develop. I guess I'm sensing like a sense of strength from this. The only thing, I don't see any love. I don't see any cups. So let's just have a quick look and see what's at the back. Yes, because we've got the Hermit. So it's definitely someone that could be in the past who has been maybe taking that time to just do some inner work on understanding why, and understanding what they needed to learn from this. And we have the Knight of Coins. Okay, so the Knight of Coins is positive. The Knight of Pentacles, it could be, again, that feeling of, I'm getting like an apprehension, and I feel like this could be someone who wants to reconcile, but is still, you know, it's the kind of like it's like slow, because they are the Knight of Pentacles represents that the slowest knight in the deck. So it's like moving forward, but like moving forward with caution. Okay, that's what I'm kind of getting. Let's pull again from the middle. Look at that, the Two of Cups. So there is like a love, there's a love energy, but I feel like with the Two of Cups being in reverse, I feel like it could be something that I'm getting the energy of, that was what it was, but now, you know, especially with the Tower moment and maybe things not coming together, I feel like maybe that's why we're seeing this again. We're seeing this Four of Pentacles of, I'm getting there wasn't an energy of, and it goes back to, you know, someone feeling like they were investing more, I'm not getting emotional vulnerability. Like, I feel like there was a lot of closed energy here, and I feel like this could help you, collective, to know who this person is that there seems to be a lot of closed energy, not saying what needed to be said. And I feel like this could have also made you feel like you're almost like you're pushing or trying to get this person to open up more, and it resulted into this feeling of like, I don't know if I can do this no more. This is the energy that I'm getting, collective. Now take what resonates. But I feel like, you know, maybe the time apart has also helped you to grow, and helped you to see your strength as well. Helps you to see your strength. But I feel like with the Princess or the Pages of Wands, okay, they represent messages, and I feel like the messages could be here that, you know, that this energy is still lingering, and this you know, this person could want to reconciliation, but I kind of get the strong energy that they still need to do a lot of work. But I feel like their feelings are still kind of fixed around you. But it's almost like when it comes to love, I feel like they may have a blockage there. So we're gonna quickly have a look at the chakra. Let's see what chakra could be impacted at this time. Confidence. It's confident. Let's see what else wants to come out. So that's the solar plexus. Confidence. Anything else? Oh yes, because I was thinking it had to be the root. So it's definitely some kind of deep rooted feelings that may have been blocked. It could also have been some things that they may have seen and they haven't like witnessed, observed, maybe like not really seen healthy relationships, or relationships where they can feel comfortable, feel safe to express. So it's almost like every time they get into a relationship, it's like keep things surface level. But again, relationship is about building blocks, and I feel like this person really struggles, especially with this being at the core of the center. I feel like this person really struggles with opening up, releasing, expressing, you know, saying how they're feeling confident to express and say these things. And you may have experienced this as well, collective. So let's end this read with a quick travel image, and let's see what image wants to come out for these monthly predictions. Look at that. This person is definitely looking at the past. They may be looking at past photos. They may be looking into like social media. They, you know, if there's still like contact there, they might be just looking at and dwelling on the past. And I'm kind of getting the energy of maybe, you know, you may intuitively sense that this person is still thinking of you, still in the background, may want to, you know, get also wanting to reach out, not knowing how to reach out. They may be telepathically sending you messages or sending you messages in dreams and things like this. This is what I'm getting with this picture, looking back and wishing they could have done more. I'm getting a wish I coulda, shoulda. This is the message I'm getting. Okay, so collective, for the monthly predictions, I hope the messages are resonating. Okay, you know what we like to do here at Wagwan Tarot and Tea, and wherever you go, okay, take what resonate. We have to say it with power. We have to say it with Jamaican style. Take what resonate and leave. We have to say it again. Leave the rest. Leave the rest, baby. Just take what resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. See, you learning pat around here. Okay, I saw it go. Just means that's how it goes around here. Okay, take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay, so be sure to look good, feel good, step into your good energy. Okay, and I will see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile 2. So we're going to look and see what messages wants to come out from pile 2. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family. Alright, let's see Wagwan. And keep sipping. Keep sipping. Alright, let's have a look. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. So, monthly prediction. Okay, we're just looking and seeing what comes out in the cards. Now, I feel like this could be maybe, you know, having a safe space where you can talk, where you can, you know, with people that you trust. Okay, and again, always trust your intuition, use your discernment. But I feel like this could be, you know, making sure you are spending time with people that you love and enjoying good moments, quality time together. Okay, express your love. And I feel like this could also be collective, an example of making sure you are taking time to express your love and feel comfortable with loving. I feel like this is also like showing love to yourself, expressing love, you know, or showing love to others. Okay, go ahead and make those romantic gestures. Now, I feel like this could also relate to somebody wanting to get the courage, you know, get the courage, get that strength, that inner strength to come forward to you. Okay, all right, look at this. We've got the 7 of Pentacles. So I feel like with 7 Pentacles being here, look what's next to it. There is an energy of contemplation, you know, wishing, wanting, thinking, you know, is this all worth it? Okay, but there's an energy of like a burden, feeling like things have been like burdening you. Strength, feeling like you had to rely on that inner strength to get you through hard times, rough times, and now back onto a place of like, right, I'm going to continue to work on myself. I'm going to continue to tap into that energy of just getting on with things, but now wanting to really, with the 3 of Wands being here, really wanting to take that time to look at growing. And I feel like this could also be an example of like, you know, being around your friends, being around people that you can grow from, you can learn from. So if it has been like a recent like break in a relationship or anything like that, and you might have been looking at like, look, all those time and energy that I've invested in this, I'm just feeling like, wow, like, you know, maybe you need that time now to just work on yourself. Especially with the strength being in the center card, I feel like the strength is really like now really tapping into that strength, tapping into your strength, tapping into, you know, all your talents, all your skills, all the things that you know you have passions for, that you love, and work on those things. Work on those things to help you to grow, to help you to see that you have so much potential. Okay. Now, if this is again relating to a past person, okay, I feel like there could have been some really kind of moments where you're like I'm getting like kind of sigh energy, like, you know, is this all worth it? Is this all worth it? But I feel like this person could have also, you know, see like, wow, like I'm kind of getting this energy almost like this person was kind of testing your strength, But I feel like this could also be, you know, maybe wanting to kind of see if you was really in it for them, or really had. I'm also getting like they may have not really experienced like a real, or like I'm getting good love, but I'm kind of also getting like they may want to work on this and come to you as well. But I feel like there's a strong energy of, you know, having like your friends around you that you can talk to, that you can reason with, or like even if it's like close family members or people that you get along, people that you trust, so it can help you to kind of talk about things that you've experienced, you know, and also that, you know, them celebrating your strengths and, you know, things that you've overcome. Okay. All right. So let's pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what wants to come out for these monthly predictions. Okay. I guess that's just it. Okay. Let's see. So the Jamaican proverb here is self-praise and no recommendation. Self-praise and no recommendation. Okay, this simply means that to self-praise, and this is kind of like on a level where it's like an arrogance, is no recommendation. Okay, so self-praise is no recommendation. Okay, now I feel like this could have been maybe things that you've experienced before, and why the strength card is really here at the center. Now this again, collective, take what resonates. Okay, take what resonates. But it's kind of saying, don't always be too quick to be boastful. Let others praise you. Let others praise you. Now I feel like this could be an energy that you've experienced where it was constantly, especially with the 7 of Pentacles and the 10 of Wands being here. I feel like there's, to me, this energy here is kind of giving me a strong energy of like a burden, like something felt like heavy on you, that you was like you had to rely on this energy to get you through it. And I feel like this could have also maybe been, again, maybe things you may have experienced where you could have felt like unappreciated at times, like think you might have been putting your time and energy into things. And I feel this could have been work. This could have also been in a relationship, or and it could be any type of relationship, whether it could be family life, or, you know, a romantic relationship where you just felt like the amount of things you do, it would always be like this person will always try to go, well, I do this, I do that, and not really be appreciative. But I feel like it really kind of created this kind of energy of like, you have to tap into your inner strength. You have to tap in your inner strength to overcome this and keep working on you. Okay, let's have a look. Can we have a card, please, to clarify this reading? What wants to come out for these monthly predictions? Okay, I just want to see what this is. Look at that, the Sun, the Knight of Cups. Yeah, I feel like this is kind of like an energy of you really looking after you at this minute. Look at this. We have the Five of Coins. Yeah, this could have maybe been the energy that you have felt. And you're letting go of that. The Five of Wands. Look, fives. So there's a lot of kind of disturbance, kind of like chaos energy with the Five of Wands and patching things up. Six of Swords. This is like a feeling of you had to walk away from this. You know, you had to walk away from things, or things that don't really appreciate, or take the time to really be. And it's not even about like again, it's not about arrogance. And then this is why I love saying, you know, at Wagwan Tarenti, we say big up yourself every time, because that's coming like, you know, a place of self-love. You bigging up yourself, you remembering to big up yourself, okay, in a self-love way. We don't deal with arrogance around here. We only deal with love and light energy, and it's about really tapping into that energy. But I feel like the more you tap into this energy, with the Sun being here and the Knight of Cups, I feel like it's going to open many doors for you, you know, especially with the Three of Wands being here, you know, for you to see things and I feel like it's almost like an energy of like, oh my gosh, wow, look how I see this now, look, oh my god, like I feel like that time will give you it will give you time to process things and look back and go, oh my gosh, really? Look, with the Page of Wands, the Princess of Wands, okay, and the Knight of Coins in reverse. Sorry, the King of Coins in reverse. So the King of Coins is in reverse here. But I feel like this, especially maybe the King of Coins being in reverse, and seeing that there's the Sun, there seems to be a lot of strong masculine energy, okay, here. And I feel like this could have been perhaps having to kind of go in that energy to do lots of things, you know, because when we have equally our masculine energy and our feminine energy, but when it comes to our masculine energy, okay, that's like, think of like doing. It's all about the doing. Look at the Sun being here, and the Moon can represent that feminine energy, okay. It's like we are being like more emotionally inclined. And I feel like there was a lot of doing, a lot of, especially with the Eight of Pentacles being here, a lot of doing, but then it wasn't always reciprocal. This is what I'm kind of getting. Okay, and with the Five of Wands and the Six, you know, 5 and 6 together makes 11. I feel like it needed to bring new beginnings, you know, and you might be seeing lots of like synchronicities, 555s, 1111s, 888s, because we've got 2 8s here, yeah, so, and 2 5s. So with the Knight of Cups though, I feel like the Knight of Cups could be like you expressing more love to yourself. It could also be using this opportunity to express love to others, okay, and in those things it will kind of release blockages, especially with the Sun being here, and the Sun's energy is to kind of brighten everything that's around it, so everything is lit. When the Sun is here, there's no dark, and I feel like this is what the Sun is. That strong energy of the Sun is here to kind of remind you of that, and also to maybe help you to see it again. Don't always be too quick to be boastful, let others praise you. But I feel like this could also be the energy of maybe what you've seen before, what you've witnessed before, and it didn't gel with you. Okay, so we're going to pull out a message. Let's just see what from these traveling images. Let's see what message wants to come out for the collective. yeah, if you have plans to go on a holiday, I can also see this as well, you know, with the sun being here, maybe wanting to take, you know, have a nice break as well. And that could be a great way of you expressing your love to yourself as well. Can we have a traveling image? Okay, look at this. So, as we said, you know, a holiday, a break. This could also be, you know, you enjoying life, you taking that time to say, right, I'm working on myself, I'm loving on me. This could also be, you know, the other person now, you know, that time apart, or can also help them to see. But I feel like there could be a strong energy of a new, you know, if you want it as well, coming in for you. So let's have a look as well. Let's have a look regarding new love. Message of new love for the collective who chose pile 2. So yes, we got the Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands. So there could be someone who's got a really strong fiery energy, who may want to, you know, come in contact. But again, look at the snake being there. It could be a bit like, you know, risky, a bit risque, you know, but I'm kind of getting, it could be like on a strong sexual energy. So again, trust your intuition, use your discernment, and if you just want to just use the time to focus on you, you know, enjoying, I'm getting like enjoying nature, spending, you know, maybe even like booking a holiday, maybe with friends or family. I'm gonna have a quick look at what was at the front. So we've still got the page. So there's this strong message here, and we've got the Empress, but the Empress in reverse. So I feel like with the Empress in being in reverse, okay, is a reminder that this is the energy, because as we said earlier, there's a strong energy of masculine energy, but the feminine energy was lacking. And I feel like it's kind of a message for you collective, you know, in the month, you know, well, we've got from May into going into June, okay, is to really tap into that energy of focusing on your feminine energy as well, to gather that balance, looking after you, taking time for yourself, investing in yourself, loving on yourself, you know, taking like a nice empress, a bath fit for an empress. You know, we could put some rose petals in there, some lavender oil, play some music, have a nice cup of tea, maybe some, you know, just getting really comfortable and embracing that. And I feel like this is really, if you haven't been doing that, I feel like this could be your reminder, or your, you know, a reminder to really take that time to look after yourself as well, okay? And, you know, sometimes we are very good at expressing love to others and not to ourselves. And I feel like it's kind of, especially with the Strength being here, and again, that's that inner energy, that inner energy of resilience. I feel like it's really wants you to look into this, especially with the Page of Wands popping up twice again. I feel like it's a reminder to say, yes, you know, keep looking after yourself. If you want something new, I feel like it's with the Knight of Wands, I kind of get this energy. It might be like a short-term thing, friends with benefits energy. But if you want to take that time to really work on yourself, yeah, this is a reminder as well for you, okay? All right, so collective, take what resonates. Okay, just take what resonates. You know what we like to do around here? Take what resonates and leave the rest. We have to say it with power. Take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? But be sure. Oh, yes. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This simply means that's how it goes around here. How can I forget? That's how it goes around here, okay? But be sure to look good, feel good, All right, feel good, look good, feel good. Tap into that Empress energy, okay? And expand and growth. Look at that. There's so many synchronicities here. Freeze, eights. Yeah, freeze, eights and fives. It's again that energy of change, transformation, growth. Yeah, so look, tap into that energy, okay? But look good, feel good, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Keep sipping. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan Magenta Rose. So we have pile 3. Okay, so if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family. And sit back and relax with a nice cup of tea. Let us know what you're sipping on today. Alright, let's see Wagwan. Let's start with the Oracle. Very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So I feel like you collectively chose pile 3. There is a strong manifesting energy going on. So whatever it is that you want to manifest, you want to bring, get clear with it, write it down, speak it into existence, and trust, okay? And let it go. Let the universe do its magical work. Okay, let your guardian angels, your ancestors, your spirit guides help you to bring in what it is that you want. But I feel like there's going to be a strong energy of having to trust, okay? Look at this. Let go of control issues. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. And again, that is that element of trust, okay? So let's move into the tarot. But before we do, I feel like there's another message that wants to come out. So whether this could be, you know, if it's not a love relationship or anything like that, back to the manifesting. If it's something, let's say if you want to manifest a new opportunities in a career, the money, or you know, in terms of like opportunities, just be clear, okay? This is the message I'm getting, just to be clear and to let go of that control. But look at the tarot, we've got Lovers. Okay, and as we are approaching, so like, you know, we've just like had May, and we're moving into, well, May into June. We've also got that, you know, the Gemini season. And we've got the Lovers to represent that Gemini with the Gemini people. Okay, the Gemini energy. So I feel like, again, with this, maybe, you know, with the Gemini, it can represent the 6, you know, the energy of the 6. So there could be, you know, I feel like there could be a reconciliation energy. It can also be a time to seek balance, okay? It can also be a good time to really, like, again, if there's things that you want to bring in, use this time to reflect, focus, and execute, okay? And I feel like that is an energy of really kind of being clear with what you truly want at this time, okay? So look at that, we've got the 6 of Cups. It's in reverse. It's in reverse. But, you know, the 6 of Cups can represent reconciliation energy. But I feel like this could be, this could be, even though it's in reverse, I feel like there could still be a reconciliation, but maybe not sure if this reconciliation could happen. Because, again, it's, you know, we've got the message of very soon, and especially the 4 of Swords being next to it, I feel like there could have been a break, and still maybe contemplate, there could be somebody contemplating whether this could even return or be repaired, okay? Because look what's next, the Hermit. So the Hermit can represent that energy of really being inward, okay? Not really, probably not going out, not really taking that time to go out and look for new. And I feel like this could also be like, you know, if you're wanting to bring new opportunities for yourself, you've got to get yourself out there. You got to get yourself out. You got to get yourself out there. You got to get yourself out there. You got to get yourself out there, okay? and looking at the Two of Pentacles. So I feel like with the Two of Pentacles being here as well, it could be, you know, a message regarding money. I feel like, again, a good message could be, you know, if there are any things that you are doing where maybe you're looking at options or maybe making any large purchases, just to use your due diligence. And especially when it comes to in the tarot community, okay, if anybody comes at you saying, oh, we want to give you a reading or anything like that, just ask yourself, if I never went and pursued that reading, why am I talking to you? Like, why am I talking to you? Hello? Just yeah, that I feel like that's one of the good things. And I did do a podcast as well on, like, beware of scammers as well. So that's what a really good one to look at, okay? And so, as well as scammers, when it comes to people, you know, just in general, just like, you know, that kind of energy, is to just be mindful of that energy. But I feel like this could also be, you know, whatever you want to bring in, it can come. You know, if you want new love, that can come. You know, that can come. And I feel like this time, you know, there's a strong energy of love around you. And I'm getting like a balance of love. So if you want to manifest a soulmate, if you want to bring someone new, that can happen. But I feel like with the Six of Cups being here in reverse, I feel like it could be, you know, it's somebody new, somebody, you know, you can manifest someone new. But I'm also getting the energy of, like, maybe there's someone from your recent past that would like to kind of come back and return, but doesn't feel maybe they have the confidence or the strength. And I feel like this might help you to intuitively know who this person could be. But I feel like also with the Four of Swords being at the center, there has been a lot of thinking about it, a lot of perhaps maybe time in it, some time like on your own to really kind of sit and think about it. But I feel like the more you've dwelt, like this energy has dwelled on it, it's still kept this person in this hermit energy, not really going out, not really moving. But I feel like the Two of Pentacles is kind of saying, right, you gotta come out this energy now, because sometimes this energy of the Hermit, the Four of Swords, can be I'm getting like a hibernation period. It's a hibernation period, but now it's, you know, we're going again into the May, into the June. You know, we're going into the Gemini, into the Cancer season, and think of that's like hot weather. Now we gotta be outside. We gotta be outside, baby. We gotta be enjoying life. And this is what I'm kind of getting. You gotta take that time to really enjoy life. You know, enjoy life, and do things that you love, especially with the Lover's energy being here. Do things that you love. And I feel like it's, again, not to be dwelling on things that have, like, I'm getting spoilt. Don't be dwelling over spilt milk or spilt milk. Don't be dwelling over things like that. Things that you can't control. It is what it is. This is what I'm getting. It is what it is. But, you know, keep working on you. Keep doing you. Keep loving on you. And don't get caught up in, oh, should I not? Another song, a song that's coming to mind is Maxi Priest. Okay, one of my favorites. Okay, Maxi Priest. But the song that's coming to mind is Should I, especially with the Two of Pentacles. Should I put my trust in you? Should I put my faith in you? Should I let you stick around, or should I let you float around? Ooh. Ooh, okay, that's that. Should I? Okay, it's a song. I think the song's called Should I? So it's like this energy of, should I do this? Should I do that? Should I do this? Should I do that? Should I do this? Should I do that? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to do. And the universe is saying, get clear. Universe is saying, you need to get clear with what you want, so I can help you. Hey, you need to get clear with what you want. Hey, so I can help you. Okay, Okay, enough singing now. But anyway, if you watch these reads, you can tell, okay, very animated here, okay? But yeah, you have to really get clear. And I'm getting a strong energy of letting go, especially with the Four of Swords being, again, this in this sense, kind of center energy. I feel like there's a lot of like trying to think of every single possibility. And I feel like the universe, like this is also the message from the universe saying we gotta let go of that. We gotta let go of the wheel bit. We gotta let go. We gotta let go. We gotta let go. And I feel like this is again this energy of like, oh, I want to, but I'm getting the energy of like the energy that came to mind is, I don't know if anybody watched Kenan and Kel. I love Kenan and Kel, but it reminds me of Kel's obsession with the orange soda, and it's like, ooh, I love orange soda, ooh, I do, ooh. And it's like, make that decision. You know, you've got to let go of that control issue. Okay, should I do this? Should I do that? Okay, get clear. Okay, so the strong message is really is to come out of this hermit energy, and in your head, come out of your head, enjoy life. Okay, you gotta get outside, and I feel like when you get outside, enjoy life. Let's see what wants to come out. Okay, so for the collective, you chose power 3. Okay, they get outside. What message do you want to leave as a clarification message, please? Oh, okay. Take this one out. Okay, but we've got the Three of Swords. The Three of Swords. I feel like the Three of Swords being here, and the Ten of Cups. The Five of Swords. I feel like it's again this energy of you have to let go of this energy. So this, perhaps with the Three of Cups being here, could be why, you know, this energy of letting go. And I feel like this could be an energy of having to let go of this. Having to let go of this energy. Alright. Alright, let's have a quick shuffle. Let's have a quick shuffle. We haven't done the Jamaican proverb yet. Right. Why is the Three of Swords here? Can we have some further messages for the Three of Swords? The Chariot. Yes, you have to let go. If you want to bring in new, we have to let go. The Ten of Cups is still in reverse, but it's like, look, the Four of Cups is here. So it's you know, it's this feeling of letting go, so that those blessings from the universe can come, and not be holding on things that maybe was, you know, things that you've envisioned before and hoping that it was going to materialize, and it maybe didn't materialize. Because look, we've got the Three of Cups in reverse as well. So there is kind of like a lot of strong feelings of like maybe things that was before, maybe with this person. I feel like there could be, it's definitely some kind of past energy, but I feel like with the past energy, it's saying now it's time to, you know, it's time to heal, but it's time to get out of that kind of energy or stuck energy of like healing. Like, I'm just stuck, being energy of stuck here. And this could be, you know, for the other person, but I feel like maybe energetically it could be something that you're still sensing at this time. And it's saying now is to look with the Chariot. And I like this one, you know, this Chariot here, because it's like they've got the ropes on their hands, and it is almost like they're saying like, you've got to move, you've got to come out of this energy now. Like the sun is shining on you now to say, right, you know, you're released from this. But I feel like it's kind of mentally could be still saying, or emotionally still like saying, oh, but this was what I knew. Well, now we gotta go again. We gotta come out of this. Should I, you know, that feeling of, should I put my trust in you? Like, we gotta let go of that. We've got to let go of those control issues. Okay. Right, so let's pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what messages wants to come out for the collective who chose part 3. Oh, okay. So we have a good friend is better than pocket money. A good friend is better than pocket money. A good friend is better than pocket money. So value good friendships, value good relationships. Anything else wants to come out for the collective? Ooh, let's have a read. Thank you. Look, we're getting lots of best friends ones. Okay. Every best friend have a best friend. So every best friend, darling, every best friend have a best friend. Remember that. Okay, so this simply means every best friend has a best friend. So be mindful that friendships and discussions with others, okay? So just be mindful of that. And that could be in terms of like in a work environment, you know, maybe discussing things, you know, things might be passed on to other people. Okay, I'm not kind of getting maliciously, but like maybe conversations could be had with others. Okay, and this one came out for pile 2, self-praise and no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. So self-praise is no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. And this simply means that to keep praising, and in an arrogant style, not in like a, well, you know, I love myself and I'm beautiful. No. This is kind of like in a place of where it's like it's coming from a place of lack, where you constantly have to say how good you are and things like that. So this is kind of saying, don't always be too quick to be boastful. Let others praise you. Okay, so this could also been some energy that you may have experienced before. Okay, and I feel like it's kind of saying, you know, just to be mindful of this. But I feel like for the collective, it's your time to big up yourself. Okay, it's your time to big up yourself. And maybe there could be some like issues around feeling not feeling like you should be doing it. And yes, big up yourself. This is why we love to say big up yourself. Big up yourself, collective, every time. And you know, big up yourself. In Jamaican culture, I was saying Jamaican culture, in Caribbean culture as a whole, we're very much about you know, congratulating and rewarding, you know, and reminding ourselves to love on ourselves, to big up yourselves. And you know, this is the energy that we want to bring at Wagwan Taranti. So make sure you big up yourself every time. But I feel like this could be also letting go of this energy, you know, with the Three of Swords. Is like having to want, you know, to let go, so that the things can start moving. Okay, is there any other messages that wants to come out for the collective? Let's see what's to come out. Woo! Look, we have the Lovers and the Justice. Look at that, the Justice in reverse, and we have the Lovers. So there's a strong energy of love. There's a strong energy of, I'm getting, you know, perhaps this relationship, or you know, this past, especially with it being in reverse, it could have been something that was imbalanced, and it could have impacted it. I feel like it impacted the way your outlook, the way you saw things. And I feel like now is a good time to get yourself back into, you know, value it, like with like good relationships, maybe, you know, friends, family that you trust, you have good relationship with. There could have been like maybe a feeling of, especially how we have lots of friendships, maybe there could have been some kind of things going on. So I'm just gonna pull out the love box and let's see what wants to come out of the love box, just just to further clarify what was going on here for the collective who chose pile 3. Sexuality. I'm scared for you to get close to me. Feels like this wants to come out as well. Let's have a quick look. You are my yin yang. Cheating. Yes, I feel like that, especially with the Justice being here and the Six of Cups being in reverse. It could have been something that, you know, something like, I feel like something detrimental that could have really broken the relationship, and the strong energy of Three of Swords, having to get out that energy, having to come out of this kind of feeling. Okay, and again, this may apply for some of you. Just take what resonate around here. Okay, anyway, well, no matter which tarot channel, who you watch, you just take what resonate. You take what resonate. Okay, I want to wake up with you every morning. Okay, look at this. Look at, someone's thinking, someone is, you know, having those thoughts about you. Ghosting. So collective, if you would like me to because I was thinking of doing something like that, please put it in the message below, in the comments below, about if you want a ghosting read or a read, and yes, I can look into doing that as well. I haven't been feeling myself, as I'm so invested in our relationship that I've lost myself in the process. And I feel like this with the strong energy of the Three of Swords being here, and the Six of Cups as well in reverse. Okay, indecisive. I look in this energy of like, should I do this, should I do that? Okay, again, you think of the song we had earlier. Should I put my trust in you? Should I put my faith in you? Should I let you stick around, or should I let you float around? Woo! I have to tell you, you're not the only one. Yes. So there is a strong energy of like feeling let down by this person that you loved, or you know, you had strong feelings for. There, you know, again, take what resonates, but I feel like this could be a message here. But again, let's get back together. What you think? What do you think? Okay. Right. So for the collective, I want to just have a quick look at the traveling images and see what message wants to come out from the traveling images regarding this person. Yes. So we've got a newspaper. So I feel like this could be very much like the past, looking into things, maybe things coming clearer to you. If these messages are resonating, take what resonates. But I see this as kind of looking back into things, trying to work out things, understand things in your head. And I feel like this kind of thing, again, it's to let go. It's to let go. It's to let go. It's to let go. Okay? To let go. Because, you know, new is coming. You know, new is coming, but you have, especially with the Chariot card, new is coming, but we have to let go of this energy. Okay? And whether this could be energy that is coming towards you, you know, intuitively, like you might be sensing it, it's like, right, you know, I need to get clear with what it is that I want so that I can bring new into my life. Okay? So, collective, I hope the messages are resonating. Okay, you know what we like to do around here. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Take what resonates and leave the rest. But be sure to, you know, big up yourself every time. You know, when you talk or write it down, speak it into existence, that you are loved. You deserve love and abundance. You are beautiful. Okay? And this is our message from Wagwan Taranti. Okay? Tap into that energy. Tap into that energy. Alright. But be sure to look good. feel good, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.